Hi, today I'm going to show you 3 styles to do with the Birch Accessories Tray Chic clip. Today we're going to do 3 styles with the Tray Chic Birch Claw clip. So first I'm going to start with some Nutriplenish oil. Just a pump or 2 is enough. And we're going to rub that through the ends just to give it some shine and help tame those little frizzes. So I'm going to start with taking top section of hair. I'm going to split that in half. And twist this back. You can then secure it with a clip. So we take this other section and do the same with twisting it. And then we'll just take both those sections and twist them together. Pull a bit of that out. Grab your clip and secure. For our second style, we're going to take everything up. So we're going to pull that all back. You can pull out your front pieces again if you really like to see that. We're going to twist it similarly to like when you do a bun. Just twist that around. And secure with your clip. For our last style today, we're going to pull things over to the side. So again, we can pull out those front little bits if you like. We're just going to move along similar to doing a French braid. Take a nice big section there, split it in half. We're just going to twist. Add more hair as we go and continue to twist. Picking up and twisting as we go. I'm just going to grab that all in with everything else. And clip it in on the side. Subscribe for more tutorials and check out the description box for all the products.